विचारप्रनी मुखार गोयच्या हेर पुलीस स्टेशना परस कळंगूट पुलिसांनी ड्रग्साच्यो चड केशी बूक केल्यात आनी तेच पद्दतीन ड्रग्सा आड कारवाय ही नेटान चालूच दवरल्या म्हूण कळंगूटचो PI जुबा दळवीन सांगला. ड्रग्साचे गुन्हेगाराक धरप तितलें सोंपें ना, मात कळंगूट पुलिशेन हें करून दाखयलां अशें ताणें मुखार सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर कळंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We catch any Nigerian national or anyone who is having drugs, we try to interrogate them, but they either they say that they don't know the language. A lot of difficulties are there. So sustained interrogation, they don't succumb to sustained interrogation. But still, we are trying. 1-2 cases we have gone up to the second chain also we got. But most of the cases, the Nigerian national says that I don't know the language, and they just keep quiet. We analyze their call details, and then we try to go to the next chain, or we find which are the common number we are getting, and then we try to book the more cases. The one of the case, we got one number on the Nigerian national mobile, and we track second Nigerian. So that efforts are on. Locals are very less who are doing this selling the NDPS drugs case or narcotics. It is not easy to catch the person with the drugs. They are advanced, but still you have to appreciate that I have booked maximum drug cases in entire. And compared to another police station, we are not comparing it, but I have booked maximum cases of drugs.